Kia EVs feature a regenerative braking system that charges the battery during vehicle braking. Select Kia EVs have a smart regeneration feature that is designed to automatically adjust the regenerative braking intensity based on speed and distance from the vehicle detected ahead. To activate this feature, from the infotainment system home screen, press the EV widget, select the Settings button, then Smart Regeneration. Smart Regeneration settings include faster deceleration, which increases regenerative braking intensity according to the speed of and distance to the vehicle ahead. Normal deceleration applies a moderate level of regenerative braking, and slow or smooth deceleration reduces the amount of regenerative braking intensity. Smart Regeneration can also be set using the right paddle switch. To activate, pull and hold the right paddle switch. The auto indicator will appear near the regenerative braking icon on the instrument cluster. When the system does not detect a vehicle in front, the auto indicator color will be white. When a vehicle is detected, the auto indicator color will change to blue. To turn off Smart Regeneration, press and hold the right paddle switch for more than 1 second. The auto light will go off, and the regenerative braking icon will display the current braking level. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!